discussing about casting incompatible type. So what is casting incompatible type is, although the automatic type conversions are helpful, they will not fulfill all programming needs because they apply only to widening conversion between compatible types. For all other cases, you must employ a cast. A cast is an instruction to the compiler to convert one type into another type. Thus, it requires an explicit type conversion. So, let's discuss about what is explicit type conversion. If we want to assign a value of larger data type to a smaller data type, we perform explicit typecasting, or we can say that narrowing. As what we do in explicit typecasting, we can just cast a larger data type into a smaller. We can make a larger data type narrow as a smaller data type. So that's why it is known as narrowing. We can just short the larger data type into a smaller data type. This is useful for incompatible data type where automatic conversion cannot be done. For automatic conversion, we have to must satisfy the condition, that is they both are compatible with each other. But in explicit type conversion, we are converting the incompatible type because it is difficult to convert an int value into a byte or a short because int have a larger data type and byte or short have smaller data type. Here, target type specifies the desired type to convert the specified value to. And in this explicit type conversion, the target type specifies the desired type. That is double to float, float to long, long to int, int to char, char to short, and short to byte. In this, the descending order data type will take place. First is double, and then double can convert into any of these things. Let's discuss about the advantages and disadvantages. In advantages, explicit casting is a bit more readable. It is used in incompatible types. In disadvantages, when you will use typecasting in Java, you can lose some information or data. Accuracy can be lost while using typecasting. When a double is cast to an int, the fractional part of a double is discarded, which causes the loss of fractional part of data. Here is an example, public class narrowing typecasting example. Inside the main method, we take a variable that is double D and its value is 166.66. So how can we convert it? We can convert it. First, we specify the target. We have to convert the double into long. So I take a long variable L and we have to convert double into long. So we use here long data type. So in bracket, this long value is used to convert the double into long. And then we just write the variable which we want to convert. In the same way, we can do it with int. Int is my target. So I can take int variable as a target. And then I can use the int in bracket for type conversion. And then the variable which I want to convert. And I want to convert the long value. So I used L here. Then system.out println. It gives me the before conversion, what is the output, and after conversion, what is the output. So let's see the output. Before conversion, it is 166.66. After conversion into long type, the fractional part will loss here and it is 166. And after conversion into int type, as the value contained in long type is very small, so there is no data loss in conversion into int type. So the both long type and int type have same value. So these are the things in incompatible data types. Thank you.